From the industries that build our communities to the facilities that keep business moving, solar is becoming part of the job. Projects like this one show how commercial rooftops can deliver reliable clean energy while creating long-term value for businesses. APsystems built this 1.25 megawatts commercial solar system for Nantong Yihongxing. Designed to meet Jiangsu's for capability grid requirements, it helps deliver reliable clean energy while supporting the company's long-term operations. The system uses 312 APsystems QT2D microinverters, paired with more than 2,000 high-power solar modules. Each QT2D supports up to 8 modules, delivering balanced three-phase power and reliable energy production.
With APsystems technology, the project fully meets Jiangsu's for capability requirements. From monitoring to utility response, the system runs efficiently and reliably. It improves the use of solar energy while helping increase energy production, long-term value, and safe grid operation.
Industrial sites can be tough on equipment. QT2D microinverters use a fully potted, sealed design to keep dust and moisture out, helping deliver reliable performance throughout the life of the system.
Every module has its own MPPT, so each panel can produce as much energy as possible. Even when dust builds up, the rest of the system keeps performing at its best.
Shade from nearby buildings can reduce production. With microinverters, every panel operates independently, so shading on one module doesn't reduce the output of the rest of the system. While significantly improving energy performance, microinverters also offer clear advantages in installation.
The whole project took just over a month, and the installation went smoothly. The plug-and-play design helped simplify the work on site and reduced installation time. Since it is a low-voltage system, we also avoided the high-voltage DC safety concerns that come with traditional string systems.
With APsystems DMA monitoring, installers can monitor every module from one platform. Real-time and historical production data is easy to view, making maintenance faster and more efficient.
We can see the real-time output and production history of every panel. If something is not performing correctly, it is easy to find. Built-in alerts also help us catch issues early, making maintenance faster and easier.
From installation through long-term operation, APsystems helps commercial solar projects produce more energy, simplify maintenance, and deliver reliable performance in demanding environments.